Check out this technique. It works. This is a 5-pound dry aged prime rib. We're going to put the outside, we're going to smother that with some clarified butter, which will help it sear. We're going to cover the thing liberally with salt, liberally with pepper, and lightly with some bottled rosemary. Then you're going to take that 5 pounds times 4 minutes a pound for medium well. That's 20 minutes at 500 degrees. Turn the oven off, leave the door closed, and come back 2 hours later. Leave the door closed, and this is what it looks like. Medium well. If you want medium rare, you do 5 pounds times 3 minutes. That's 15 minutes at 500 degrees. Turn the oven off, keep the door closed, and come back 2 hours later, and this is what you have. This was phenomenal. Crunchy on the outside, moist on the inside, done to the perfect temperature.